Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nurhuda binti Muhammad Noor and my metric number is 259045. Today, my group and I would like to present about the hotel that we have been chosen for Hospitality English Establishment Report, which is Sunway Hotel Georgetown in Penang. Because there is no face-to-face interaction allowed for the interview, with the help of the human resource staff of Sunway Hotel Georgetown, we managed to interview the marketing and communication manager, Ms. Cheong Ka-mei, through a Google Meet. So, before we go further in details, I would like to share with you a little bit background about Sunway Hotel Georgetown. Sunway Hotel Georgetown is known as a 4-star hotel that has been registered with the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture Penang, and it is located in the central of city's commercial, shopping, food and entertainment hubs. It is such a strategic location where the city is surrounded by the diversity of traditional culture that were born in Penang, as well as popular with many tourist attractions. The hotel is close to many tourist attractions such as most famous night hawker centers, Chir Jetty, Penang Street Art, Georgetown UNESCO Heritage Site and many more. Due to its strategic location, it has made the hotel as a prime choice of many people who are interested to come to Penang. According to the official website of Sunway Hotel Georgetown, the hotel is a member of Sunway Hotels and Resort Group, which officially established on June 1994. The founder of Sunway Hotels is a chairman of Sunway Group, Tan Sri Datuk Sri Dr. Jeffrey Cheng Ang. His transformative vision is to enrich the life of community towards a brighter future for generations to come. For your information, until now, the establishment of Sunway Hotels and Resort Group have brought so many benefits to the communities, especially in hospitality sector. For example, it has become as one of Asia's leading international hotels group and developer of premium hotels owned by Sunway Group. So, after all of the success that have been achieved by this group, they had established about 12 hotels and resorts which located across Malaysia, Cambodia and also Vietnam. Other than that, Sunway Hotel Georgetown, also known as an ideal place to stay in Penang, which they offer 250 newly renovated rooms in order to provide enjoyment with diverse culture and heritage that are available in the city of Georgetown. Sunway Hotel Georgetown also practice a great emphasis on safety aspect. So because of their commitment in maintaining a good safety in the hotel, they have been officially certified by the Clean and Safe Malaysia program that has launched by the Malaysian Association of Hotels on July 2020.
Good morning, my name is Achari and my metric number is 257011. Today I will be presenting about the hospitality cycles for my assignments, which is the hospitality cycles got 4 stages, which is arrival, familiarization, engagement, and the departure. The arrival stage in the hotel is very important as the hotels need to make the guests to have a good impressions toward them. Why the hotels need to make the guests to have a good impression toward them? Because firstly, the guests may are the first timer who had come to the hotels, so they don't really know about the services that provide there and how the hotels are treats their guests. So by having a good impressions in the firstly, they will make the guests to have a more faith in the hotels. So the hotels are highly believe that the first impressions towards the guests are really important for to maintain their image in front of the guests. The arrival stage are involving the interactions among the guests and the service provider, which is the hotel to happens. The interactions between them happens according to the two types, which is directly and indirectly. Indirectly is before the guests come to the hotel, which is before the guests making the decisions to bookings the rooms in the hotels. The guests firstly they will find the informations about the hotels in the internet, and they will read it first to see if the hotels is suitable for their budgets, suitable for their preference or not. Then once they are making the decisions, they will call to the hotels, which is called to the front desk, which is the receptionist, to ask about the availability of the room. In the stage of the making decision, the receptionist also play a role in guiding the guests to make a decisions. So once the guests arrive at the hotels, the first person who welcoming them is the security guard. Then after that, the guests will be assisted to the front desk to have interaction with the receptionist. So this is the moment where the guests and the receptionist will have directly communications or the interactions. So the guests will be assisted to the front desk to be registering the names, for the room booking, and then the guests will be giving the room key, and the receptionist will ask if they have any question or not. If they are not having any questions, so the receptionist will let them to be rested in their room. Furthermore, during our interview sessions with the hotel management, the interviewee are answering our call and greet us warmly, which makes us feel comfortable while dealing with them. The second stage is the familiarization. The familiarization stage happens when the peoples are first time in the new places, which they may feel awkward. So the hotels need to make the guests to feel comfortable to be in their places. So the receptionist can start to engage with the guests by firstly introducing the guests about the services, about the hotels, and also the other things that the guests want to know by explaining to them warmly and patiently, because the guests might have a lot of questions to ask that could happen to the certain guests. The explanation given by the receptionist may make the guests to have a better understandings about the hotels, and apart of that, the receptionist also can give the brochures to the guests for them to see what else that they are having in the hotels. By having a smooth conversations between the service provider, which is the hotels, and the receptionist, would make the guests to feel more awkward and comfortable to be in the hotels, even though it is the first time. Next, I would pass to my groupmate, Mr. Harjana, to explain about the engagement and departures of the hospitality.
Hi, my name is Harjana Sarian. My metric number is 275356. Now, I will continue to present on the third stage of hospitality cycle. The third stage of hospitality cycle is engagement. Engagement means the guest already knows about their service provider and facilities provided by the hotel during their check-in process. In the engagement stage, the guests are using the facilities personally in the room or the hotel area, such as outdoor swimming pool, area, tea house, sun cafe, fitness center, meeting and event room. The housekeeping of Sunway Hotel always have a special look in their services. They make sure the room is clean and comfortable to satisfy the customer. They also make sure the television, air conditioner and Wi-Fi functioning well, and all the toiletries are provided in the washroom. Sunway Hotel Georgetown has their own cafe. Aside from daily breakfast, Sun Cafe serve international and Asian a la carte meal for the guests. The restaurant offers relaxing and informal ambience within a contemporary setting for the guests. They are also provided in room dining services. They provided in each and every room so that the guests can order their food and get them delivered to their room. The staff has cooperated with all departments to fulfill their customer requesting to get customer satisfaction. The staff of Sunway Hotel Georgetown will always engage with the guests. They always greet the guests like, "How was your day? It's my pleasure to assist you. Is there anything else?" Besides that, they also have guests approach the front desk to clarify questions, inquiries, and requesting services such as dinner reservation, requesting more amenities, and room cleaning. For example, the guest will approach the staff to book a departure transport. Last stage of hospitality cycle is departure. Departure can consider as the important stage as this is the last that the establishment will create the final impression and any complaints that the customer may have during their time at the hotel. The guest keeps all the things and check out from the hotel. This stage includes all the activities involved settling the bill and leaving the hotel like luggage transfer, preparation of the bill, and feedback conversation with the guest. It is very important for the front desk to be efficient to the guest. The guest will approach the staff to check out the hotel. During the payment process, the staff should check the bill properly and avoid extra charges, and all the bills are paid by the guest. During the checkout process, the Sunway Hotel staff will determine the satisfaction of the guest and encourage the guest to revisit the hotel. Moreover, they will ask for the recommendation and feedback of the guests to improve their services better in the future. And they also reply for every of the guest review through online or direct communication. The checkout time restricted by hotel management is at 12 p.m. The porter will carry the luggage into the car. Finally, they will send away the customer with "thank you" and "come again" with smile to ease the customer. Next, I would like to pass to my group member to continue about the service provider.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Seri Aisyah Khairunisa binti Muhammad Zainal and my metric number is 258980. I will continue the presentations with social remedies of the hotel. In Sunway Hotel Georgetown, there are 3 social remedies that have been listed. Firstly, in terms of English language usage. The language or words that have been chosen in communication will also impact interpersonal between the service provider and their customers or guests, especially by using English as the main language. Same goes to Sunway Hotel Georgetown. They choose English as their base of daily communication with the guests or even among themselves. Ms. Cheong Kame, the Marketing and Communications Manager of Sunway Hotel Georgetown, gave her opinion that it is very important to implement English language in hospitality industry because English is an international language and easy to speak appropriately, especially with the guests that come to the hotel, so that will help them to understand clearly what the guests request or ask about the service or others throughout their stay at Sunway Hotel Georgetown. To make sure the process of hospitality cycles runs smoothly and effectively, fine communication in English is one of the specifications that need to be carried through by staff in Sunway Hotel Georgetown. Usually, the staffs will use English often to communicate with guests every day, especially during their daily operation. Hospitality is a customer service-oriented industry, where the hotel staff should have some instincts about how to serve guests. They will also need rigorous training to ensure that they adhere to hotel's high standards. So in order to enhance the better service for the guests that stay at the hotel, the management also provide several programs such as Mandarin and English program course that lead them to upgrade staff communication skills from time to time. The next social remedy in Sunway Georgetown Hotel, which is service provided. The hotel become a tourist choice, especially for people that come to Penang as leisure trip because of its strategic location. Ms. Cheong Kame said that all staff and management in Sunway Hotel Georgetown will make sure they put up guest requests at their level best. They provide a special service to the guests such as service center to allow guests celebrating their precious moments in the hotel, for instance, wedding anniversary or birthdays. Hotel team will help the guests to decorate their rooms according to the plan. Majorities of guests are so satisfied with the room decorations and will return back after that. Other than that, the hotel also had a special facility for disabled guests by provide a special guest room, and the accessibility to the hotel are disabled friendly. However, there are several issues that have been highlighted in online review by the guests towards the hotel. One of them is related to the limited parking space around the hotel and force guests to park outside the hotel with paying 5 ringgit to 9 ringgit for parking ticket, because the hotel's parking available for 200 cars only, but the room are more than that. The guests also said that the outside parking, which is across the road, was very dark and they were very worried about their car safety. Last but not least, the corrective measure that related towards this hotel is about handling problem or complaints. Generally, Sunway Hotel Georgetown received a mixed review from different guests, but most of them are satisfied with the hotel as well as staffs, and the average of score the guest feedback in year 2020 is 86%. Overall, guests will give their feedback through online travel agents, travel website platforms such as Agoda, Booking.com, and other social media sources. According to the online review by the guests, the most mentioned issues were about the slow procedure of check-in and check-out process that made them wait for so long due to the lack of staff to handle these situations, and the hotel was very crowded even during the pandemic. This kind of problem will cause the guests to lose their patience, and for an established hotel, the management must alert to this problem and avoid them from happen again in the future. Other than that, Sunway Hotel Georgetown also get affected by pandemic COVID-19 that forced the management to change the rules and regulations of the hotel by following the standard operation procedures and guidelines that set by the Ministry of Health Malaysia. This action also made all guests are confident and feel safe during their stay at the hotel, as the staff acted properly by obtaining various certifications as they adhere to the SOP all the times.
Hi, my name is Era Shahira Shahrudin. My metric number is 259085. I will present about recommendation that Sunway Hotel Georgetown can improve regarding the issues. Firstly, regarding English language usage. Basically, Sunway Hotel Georgetown are using English as their official language and using Mandarin as well. Thus, the management of Sunway Hotel Georgetown should include the communication skills for Malay language as well, due to their guests are not fluent in English and Mandarin, especially senior citizens. This initiative will relieve the guest needs and wants in hospitality sector and make them want to repeat their stay. Furthermore, the management of the hotel also can test for recruiting their future staff on ability to speak in 3 main languages used in Sunway Hotel Georgetown. This method can help save hotel expenses because it will reduce the need of management to do training on their staff language and communication skills. As the hotel have facilities for disabled guests, then the management of Sunway Hotel are recommended to recruit a frontliner staff who are able to communicate in sign language. This initiative will help to fulfill the need of disabled guests who spend their stay in the hotel. Secondly, the hotel management should be paying attention on limited parking spaces issues. Sunway Hotel Georgetown are recommended to add some spaces for guest car to park safely so that the guests will not worry about their car safety when they spend vacation on the hotel. This method is also important to gain trust from hotel loyal guests and potential guests as well. The third one is handling problem and complaints from the guests. Sunway Hotel Georgetown received various feedback from their guests. This is including complaints and some bad reviews related to hotel services. Some of the review mentioned about the slow process of check-in and check-out process. There are some suggestions to overcome this situation. The hotel management should recruit more front office department staff in peak season such as holiday season. This initiative will help to reduce the future guest complaint regarding slow process of check-in and check-out process and give good review and image to Sunway Hotel Georgetown. Other than that, in order to handling guest problem and complaints, the front office staff should learn and anticipating the customer needs. There are a few steps need to be taken is apologizing and owning responsibility to that particular guest who made complaint. The staff should comfort the unsatisfied guests to make them calm, while other hotel staff help to solve the guest problem. The staff should listen carefully and take note all of the complaint details. In addition, persons in charge such as room division manager should discussing and offer few alternatives to solve the problems. The particular manager also have to make amends and follow up the complaints progress until it is solved properly according to the hotel standard operation procedures. They have to remember a happy customer means more business in future. That's all from me.
It can be concluded that Sunway Hotel Georgetown can be one of the famous hotel in downtown Penang that providing such an excellent product and services as well as numerous facilities. Due to its strategic location, it makes this hotel to become as the main focus for tourists who love to travel in the city and also able to attract more people to come to Penang and stay in their hotels. The feedback also is well received by the hotel staff that they managed to reply most of the feedbacks and reviews given by the guests, which it is such a nice effort of them in maintaining the interaction among their guests. So it is hoped that Sunway Hotel Georgetown will be maintained in providing the best service to their customer and get more recognition in the future. That's all from my group. Thank you so much for your attention.